store once again. I know that we went there whenever they first opened, but we have a friend with us that hasn't been there yet, so we're gonna go downtown Seattle again and go down there. Alright, we found another motovlogger. Well, he has a GoPro on, so I just assume. Here, should I ask him if he motovlogs? I'm gonna ask him. Do you motovlog? No. No, just nice. Darn. I thought we met a fellow motovlogger. He just records this for fun.
Opa.
Open Gangnam Style. Oh.
Oh God.
I don't know how to do the dance. How do you do?
Opa Gangnam Style.
Did I do a stoppie?
No, I'm gonna do a stoppie.
No, I'm gonna do a stoppie.
I'm gonna do a stoppie.
Do a stoppie.
Do a stoppie.
It's my footrest.
Shooty chop. Get away.
Dual sport. Good job. You did good.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you. I like your Pikachu. It looks like he's in timeout though, because he's like facing forward.
He's adorable. He's my dangling good luck charm.
I'm not cute. I'm adorable.
Okay. Get the away from me. Get the hell away. God.
I wish the sun would come out. The sun will come out tomorrow. That guy had like a cut, like a Harley rider, but
She's on a Versa.
yeah. Hey, he's still here. He has joined the GROM group.
There's 2 Kawasaki's and a Honda. I missed shift. How dare you?
I am baby. Oh look, they all have sea chicken jerseys on. What if I get a bloody nose while I'm riding? Oh, he's passing! Oh, careful, dude! He cannot escape the GROM squad! Oh, never mind, he escaped because we hit a red light.
That sounds like crap. Get an exhaust.
You're in the wrong lane.
No, I'm not. I'm on the lane.
That guy's looking over at us.
It's out of disgust, I assure you.
Are we there yet?
Yes.
You lie. This guy is bumping his music so loud that his trunk is shaking. Or either that or they have someone like in their trunk trying to get out. I'm hoping it's their bass.
Help. Help. Beautiful Washington State and the bikini baristas. I think we're one of the only states that have those. Nothing sells coffee like boobs.
Dude, my eyeballs hurt really bad.
Tell me how you really feel.
I just did.
I smell the devil's lettuce. It's everywhere. It's in like a storage unit. Oh, it's an old hotel. Motel. Have you ever seen the movie Major Payne?
No.
Like, it's an old comedy where Damon Wayans is like a drill instructor, but one of the better scenes is he's got a friend that's been shot in the leg, and the guy's like, my leg, and then Damon Wayne goes, let me see your hand, and then he breaks his pinky, and he's like, my finger, and he's like, you're not thinking about your leg anymore, are you?
No, my dad used to do that. If I was complaining like about a headache or something, he would punch me in the leg and be like, well, it made you forget about your headache, didn't it?
I forgot how that beat goes. Na 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 na. When I drop, na 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 na. Get the he's on his cell phone. Get him.
Yeah, he's like coming in our lane while he's on his cell phone.
Not today, good sir. Not today. Hey, little mama, let me whisper in your ear.
What are you whispering? You stopped whispering.
Oh, sorry.
We're gonna whisper for the rest of the way. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, we're using our inside voices.
Oh, that's cool.
Ah! We're supposed to be whispering.
Shh, be quiet. Who is that? Oh, wait, that's me.
Be quiet, we're hiding. Who's making that noise? Oh, it's me.
You don't even like Dainese. You like Alpine Star more.
I like both. I don't choose sides. How long do you think this light's gonna be?
I don't know. Hurry, put the drops in your eye. Do it faster.
I can't find them.
Come on, you got it. Go. You're doing it.
I did it! Oh my god, that feels so much better.
You're so wet now.
I'm crying. I didn't put enough in my left eye, but that's okay.
I could poke your left eye and make it wetter.
Actually, you have to kind of like tickle it and rub it.
Ew.
Oh god, my grandma watches my moto vlogs.
Oh.
Grandma, don't watch this. If I push my helmet up against my face really hard, not as much air gets in. I need a dual sport helmet very badly. Because it seals my goggles to my face better.
You just need to tighten your goggles.
Oh yeah, I guess that works.
It's okay, babe. I know you're blonde. She's on her cell phone. You texting? Yeah. Bad. Ow!
Don't touch my armpit. Stop. You know I don't like that.
Let's just put him in neutral and just walk him on the sidewalk.
Hey, yeah.
Actually, you know what? Who's down? Let's do it. Off. Ow.
Just turn him off. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
I'm not suspicious. You're suspicious. This is so much faster than waiting in traffic. Don't be suspicious. There's nothing wrong with this. The sad truth is we're going so much faster than we would if we were still on the bikes.
Get back on the road. Letting us go. The dude? We're here.
Yeah, you don't want to block pedestrian traffic. Dainese.
Yeah.
What's up?
Ooh, sail.
They haven't been giving problems about bikes being outside, right? Right there?
Is it just 3 GROM?
Yeah.
Bring them inside.
Okay, I was gonna say, yeah.
Have a good one, guys. Right?
See ya.
You guys are at safe now.
Thank you.
Can't believe I just bought you a Dainese hoodie.
Thank you.
Look at you doing all your social media today. You made some TikTokies and you're making a moto vloggy.
And I'm sending out air fresheners and stickers.
Damn, look at you.
Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and then hit the little bell. That way you get notifications anytime I post a new video. Thank you.